Okay, so the purpose of my program is to draw this picture using abstraction. So when we click on the green flag right here, it's going to call this paint picture function. The paint picture function is made up of actually 4 smaller functions that do 4 other tasks. So the first one is fill sky. So the fill sky function is setting the pen color to blue, and then it's going to fill the whole screen with blue. The second function is draw sun. So here we're going to set our pen color to yellow, our pen size to 60 units, and then we're going to go to these coordinates right here. So 150 by 120, and then pointing at 270 degrees, it'll then enter this repeat right here. So it's going to do this 25 times. It's going to move 8 steps and turn 15 degrees every single time. So that's how we're going to be getting this this circle right here. Once we do that, we're gonna have our pen up, and then we're gonna call the draw sun ray function 5 times. So the next function is gonna be draw sun ray. So here we're going to have 3 parameters: our x coordinate, our y coordinate, and then the angle. So over here, when we call it, we will fill those numbers and values in ourselves. These numbers were given to us. When we call the draw sun ray function, it sets the pen size to 5, and then we're going to go to the x and y values that were given to us, and then pointing in the direction of the angle that was given, we will then move 50 steps. So each of these lines are 50 units long. The next function is the draw grass function. Here we're going to set the pen color to green, set the pen size to 10, and then we're going to go to these coordinates that were given to us, and then pointing in the direction of 180 degrees, we will put the pen down, and then we will enter this repeat where every iteration you're going to move 30 steps and change the x by 10 and the y by 30. So we're just going to keep doing that over and over again. We're going to do that 50 times, and it's going to draw this green patch right here. So let's go from left to right. The last function is the draw flower function. Here, just like the draw sun ray, we will also have parameters. So we will have these values that were given to us: -150, -140, and we're going to set the pen color to pink, set the pen size to 8, and then we're going to go to the x and y values that were given to us. And then we're going to do this repeat. We're going to enter this repeat, so it's going to happen 6 times. So we're going to move 6 steps, turn 60 degrees, and it'll draw this. So if we let that, here we can let it run. So that's what it's going to look like. If we're going to change the program, let's just say we do 150 instead of -150. So we're going to apply that. We're going to reset, and if we did it correctly, there you go. So it'll draw the flower over here. And yeah, that's my program.